Uh, just a minute. This is serious. Okay, how about now? Can you see my screen? Can you hear me? Can you? Am I audible enough? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? How about now? Can you still see my screen? Okay, I guess that is solved. So now we are on. Now this is something interesting that has actually been giving us these bias entries for every of our buyers. If you watch from this point, you see that the price has been making a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and to the upside where we have the all-time high for gold. So now what we noticed was that on this daily, we realized the price has broken the trend that was actually taking it up. This signals a change in trend, change in character, like some SMC break of structure, like some SMC traders actually say, or change in character, whatever. So, but what we have here is since price has broken this place, there is need for price to come and test this point and bounce for us to start selling. So, till now, price is still, hold on a second. Can you guys see me? And can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Oh, this is serious. This is serious. This is serious. What is happening? Can you see my screen now? Can you still see it? Okay. So let's go. So price has came to this point, start going back up here. So our expectation on this is we have a breakout. So this trend is no longer valid. And so what I'm expecting is for price to move upward to this point and then start falling down. That's if it falls. So let's go straight to the 4 hour time frame change. What we want to get is to see what price exactly wants to do. So now the trend, let me take this out. I don't want to bring confusion to this explanation. I don't want to take you guys there. So now, the point here is if we actually want to be, we actually follow the trend. Whatsoever we are doing is actually the trend that gives us a guide. Now, watch this. You see also that this trend was like moving downward. And for this trend to be moving downward, we're having a downtrend. All of a sudden, we got a breakout. I guess yesterday, we got a breakout. Now we are waiting for a retest to start moving forward. So this is my take on gold. I am waiting for this price to retrace because this point, why the reason why I marked out this point was because this is actually your equilibrium zone between the buyers and the sellers. So when I got an entry somewhere around here yesterday, after if you watch my previous video, so I called out the entry at this point from this retracement, and I said this is the overall target. The reason is that I knew this price wants to come here. I knew this price will come here based on the overall 100% retracement on this daily 4 hour time frame. So, but the reason why we are having this is because for this breakout, for this point, for me to make any decision, because price can from here turn and start coming down here. You can see this is a good rejection, maybe not too strong, but actually the rejection is good. And for the fact that this point is an equilibrium point, so let me take this out because this has already been invalidated. Now I now plot this counter trend line. It's okay. If you want to continue constantly going up, then this has not happened before. So I was having something like this. So, but this morning when I woke up, if I should go to 1 hour, you see that there has been a breakout from this. Yes, there has been a breakout from this push up. So I am not really convinced or satisfied with this breakout. So some people would have taken the price has breakout and you start selling. You can imagine like this, like this. Now what you will see there, you see that the price has actually what is actually moving upward. And if you look here, the price can still decide to come up here, take out their stop loss, and do what? And start coming down. So what we are waiting for, I always wait for the 4 hour time frame confirmation. You see, the 4 hour candlestick confirmation is actually so good that I don't want to draw this on. Let me still have the counter trend the way I have it before this today's price action. Today's price happens. Before today's price happens, this is what we have. So but my retest, this is a breakout on 1 hour, but where I'm looking for my breakout and retest is on 4 hour. It is what on 4 hour. I'm looking for it on 4 hour. So we have this candle. So if this candle goes up, I know this candle is going to close by 12. If there is another bearish candle, a 4 hour bearish engulfing candle close, then I'll be selling from here to this point. If I can have a 4 hour bearish engulfing candle, I'll be selling from this point to this point. And now my overall target will be what? Here. That's my first take profit level will be here. Now, the reason why I will take close all my profit at this point is because I am the moment price coming, I am looking for a buy opportunity once price gets to this point. So now what I'm doing is I'm just sitting on my hands waiting to see price reaction in between this zone, in between this blue bar. Once price gets rejected or I see a 4 hour rejection, if I have clean rejection, I will do a sell and I will target here. I will sell from this point and my target will be here. And if it breaks out, it means let me take this. And if price continuously move upward to break out and retest, then I will be targeting the upside. So we are not static to one direction of the price. We need price to break down, retest, then before we start doing what coming down. But if price should do a break up and retest, we'll be looking for what? A buying opportunity. So like to this zone and bounce, I'll look for buying opportunity upward. But if it does this breakdown, I will look for sell opportunities. So that is that on gold. They have nothing much to say. You should look at if I should go to lower time frame, there's something I want to share. If I should go to lower time frame, you see, in forex, once you are right, you're right. Once you get your analysis right, you you are actually good to go. If you look at there's this SMC where they talk about there's this SMC trading method that is they talked about fair value gap and imbalance and all that. If you look at that point, there's an inefficient candle at this point which is marked out. So price can eventually or will eventually come to this point, pick out this point. And if you know for a fact price has been struggling around this zone. So if price should pick it, there are tendencies price to start coming down. But I am not taking out but what I'm looking out for is the perfect selling opportunity. I said perfect selling opportunity where I'll get a clear confirmation of a bounce and then start selling. So my overall target will be here if price do really went in my direction of breakout and did what we needed it to do. And if it bounce up, breakout and retest, our overall target will be up here, though we are taking our first profit target at this point, then overall will be up here. So that's my take on GBP USD, sorry, rather on XAUUSD, which is gold. And I just guess you guys just get the exact explanation because I'm here to give you a brief explanation on what we felt good is actually good. The move the gold is actually going to make. So until we meet next time, do have a great day, trading day. So go wait on the market, try to take the opportunity, ensure you take out the trade because once it breaks out, you start looking for buy. If this should break down and retest, we see a bounce here, we start looking for sell to this point. So until next time, do have a wonderful day ahead. Peace out.